Welcome to SV Union High School and Junior College. Presented by Mrs. Vaishali Jadhav. Children, today we'll learn Standard 5th Subject Maths. Lesson number 10, Measuring Time. Student, now let us solve problem set 45. In this, see the question 1 is given, add the following. Let us see first example. What is given? 2 hours 30 minutes plus 4 hours 55 minutes. Okay. Now to solve this, I have drawn two columns. One is of hour, another one is of minutes. So let us start solving. 2 hours 30 minutes plus 4 hours 55 minutes. Okay. Now let us start adding the number. 0 plus 5, 5. 3 plus 5, 8. 2 plus 4, 6. Okay. Students, just have a look at this number 85 which is in minute column. 85 minutes is not there. It is greater than 60. 60 minutes means what? 1 hour. So, let us write over here 1 hour is equals to 60 minutes, which is very important. Now let us subtract here minus 60. Okay. So what will remain? 5 minus 0, 5. 8 minus 6, 2. When I am subtracting this 1 hour over here, of course I have to add that in hour column. So 6 plus 1, 7. Therefore what is our final answer? 7 hours 25 minutes. Is that clear? Now we'll solve example number 2. Children, let us see the second sum. What is given? 3 hours 50 minutes plus 4 hours 20 minutes. Now let us put the numbers in appropriate column. 3 hours 50 minutes plus 4 hours 20 minutes. Okay. Now 0 plus 0, 0. 5 plus 2, 7. 3 plus 4, 7. Children, in the minute column we have got answer 70, which is greater than 60. Okay, 60 minutes means what? 1 hour. So let us write over here 1 hour is equals to 60 minutes. So we have to subtract that 60 from this column. Alright. So 0 minus 0, 0. 7 minus 6, 1. When I am subtracting this 60, it means I am subtracting 1 hour. That 1 hour has to be added in the hour column. So 7 plus 1, 8. So what will be our final answer? 8 hours, 10 minutes. Okay, now we'll solve example number 3. Students, see the sum is given 3 hours 45 minutes plus 1 hour 35 minutes. Now I have drawn again two columns, hour and minutes. So let us put the numbers in appropriate column. 3 hours 45 minutes plus 1 hour 35 minutes. Let us add it. 5 plus 5, 10. Carry 1. 4 plus 3, 7. 7 plus 1, 8. 3 plus 1, 4. Children, now in minute column we got 80 minutes, which is greater than 60. Yes, 60 minutes means 1 hour. So let us write over here 1 hour is equals to 60 minutes. Okay. So let us subtract that 60 from the minutes column. 0 minus 0, 0. 8 minus 6, 2. Children, when I am subtracting 60 minutes, it means I have subtracted 1 hour. That 1 hour has to be added in the hour column. So plus 1 over here, what will get? 4 plus 1, 5. Okay, so what is our final answer? 5 hours, 20 minutes. This is how we have done example number 3 also. Now we'll solve example number 4. See here the example 4 hours 15 minutes plus 2 hours 50 minutes. Now let us write the numbers in appropriate column. 4 hours 15 minutes plus 2 hours 50 minutes. Let us add 5 plus 0, 5. 1 plus 5, 6. 4 plus 2, 6. Now 65 is greater than 60. Right? So I have to subtract that 60. Why I am subtracting 60 from 65? Because 60 minutes means 1 hour. So let us write over here 1 hour is equals to 60 minutes. Minus 60. So 5 minus 0, 5. 6 minus 6, 0. When I am subtracting this 60 minutes, it means I have to add that 1 hour in the hour column plus 1. So 6 plus 1, 7. Our final answer will be 7 hours, 5 minutes. Okay. So this is how we have completed question number 1. You must have understood how to add the hour and minutes. Okay. Now we'll solve question number 2, which is subtract the following. Okay. So let's start solving question number 2. Student, let us see the sum number 1. 3 hours 10 minutes minus 2 hours 45 minutes. I have drawn again two columns, hours and minutes. So let us write numbers in the appropriate column. 3 hours 10 minutes minus 2 hours 40 minutes. Children, now can I subtract 40 minutes from 10 minutes? Of course no. I have to borrow from the hour column. So cancel these 3. What will remain? 2. Okay. When I am borrowing 1 hour in the minute column, it means I am not borrowing only 1 hour, I am borrowing 60 minutes. So let us write over here 1 hour is equals to 60 minutes. Okay. In that, let us add this 10 minutes plus 10 minutes. What I'll get? 0 plus 0, 0, 6 plus 1, 7. So, 70 minutes. Is that clear? So, cancel this 10, write over here 70. Alright? Now, it is very easy to do the subtraction. 0 minus 0, 0. 7 minus 4, 3. 2 minus 2, 0. So, what is our final answer? 30 minutes. What is our remainder? Only 30 minutes. Is that clear? Hope so you all must have understood this. Example number 1. Now we'll solve example number 2. Students, see in the second example, it is given 5 hours 20 minutes minus 2 hours 35 minutes. So let us write the numbers in appropriate column. 5 hours 20 minutes minus 2 hours 35 minutes. Alright. Students, can I subtract 35 minutes from 20 minutes? Of course no. I have to borrow from hour column. So cancel this 5 hour. What remains? 4 means I am borrowing 1 hour. But when I am borrowing 1 hour means how many minutes I am borrowing? Of course 60 minutes. So let us write over here 1 hour is equals to 60 minutes. Plus this 20 minutes. We have to add. It becomes 6 plus 2, 8. 80 minutes. So cancel this 20 over here and write 80. Okay. Now I have to subtract 80 minus 35. 0 minus 5 not possible. Cancel it. Remains 7. Cancel it becomes 10. 10 minus 5, 5. 7 minus 3, 4. 4 minus 2, 2. So what is my final answer? 2 hours 45 minutes. Okay, is that clear? Now let us solve example number 3. Students, let us see here what is given. 4 hours 25 minutes minus 1 hour 55 minutes. Okay, so these are two columns, hours and minutes, which I have already prepared. Let us write numbers in the appropriate column. 4 hours 25 minutes minus 1 hour 55 minutes. Children, here also can I subtract 55 minutes from 25 minutes? Of course no. I have to go to the hour column. It means I'll borrow 1 hour. Cancel this 4, what remains? 3 hour. When I am borrowing 1 hour, it means I am borrowing 60 minutes. So let us write over here 1 hour is equals to 60 minutes. In that I have to add this 25 minutes. We'll write it aside. 0 plus 5, 5, 6 plus 2, 8. So 85 minutes. Okay. Cancel this 25 right up over here. 85 minutes. Now it's very easy to subtract 55 from 85. 5 minus 5, 0. 8 minus 5, 3. 3 minus 1, 2. So what is our final answer? 2 hours 30 minutes. Let us write it in the square box. So this is how we have completed example number 3 also. Now let us solve example number 4. Students, let us see this example. What is given? 6 hours 15 minutes minus 2 hours 45 minutes. So let us write the numbers in appropriate column. 6 hours 15 minutes minus 2 hours 45 minutes. Students, can I subtract this 45 minutes from 15 minutes? Of course no, because 45 is greater than 15. So I have to borrow from R column. So cancel this 6, what will remain here? 5. When I am borrowing 1 hour to the minute column, it means I am not borrowing 1 hour, I am borrowing 60 minutes. So let us write over here 1 hour is equals to 60 minutes. In that, let us add this 15 minutes. Okay, so 0 plus 5, 5, 6 plus 1, 7. It is 75 minutes. Okay, so let us cancel this 15 right over here, 75. Student, now it is very easy to subtract 45 from 75. 5 minus 5, 0. 7 minus 4, 3. And 5 minus 2, 3 is 0. So what is our answer? 3 hours 30 minutes. Okay. So this is how we have completed even question number 2 of the problem set 45. Okay. Now we'll study in the next part how to solve word problem based on this. Children, do like, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you for watching my video till the end.